In conclusion, crab meat is a versatile and delicious ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes, and knowing how to calculate calories in each dish can help you make healthier choices while still enjoying the delicious flavors of crab meat. Crab fried rice is a popular dish in many parts of the world, especially in Southeast Asia, where seafood is a staple ingredient in cuisine. The dish is made with crab meat, rice, vegetables, and a variety of spices and seasonings. Here's a more detailed recipe for crab fried rice. Ingredients: 2 cups cooked rice, preferably leftover rice. 1 cup crab meat, shredded. 1 cup mixed vegetables, such as carrots, peas, and corn. 2 garlic cloves, minced. 1 onion, chopped. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon chili sauce, optional. Salt and pepper, to taste. Fresh cilantro leaves, chopped, for garnish. Instructions: heat the vegetable oil in a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic to the pan and stir-fry until fragrant and golden brown, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the mixed vegetables to the pan and stir-fry for another 2 to 3 minutes until they are slightly softened. Add the shredded crab meat to the pan and stir-fry for another 2 to 3 minutes until it is heated through. Add the cooked rice to the pan and stir-fry for another 2 to 3 minutes until it is heated through and well coated with the vegetables and crab meat. Add the soy sauce, oyster sauce, chili sauce, if using, salt, and pepper to the pan, and stir-fry for another 1 to 2 minutes until the sauce is evenly distributed throughout the rice. Garnish the crab fried rice with fresh cilantro leaves and serve hot. Nutritional information: the calorie content of crab fried rice will depend on the specific recipe and serving size. However, as a general estimate, a 1 cup serving of crab fried rice prepared with the above recipe is likely to contain around 350 to 400 calories. Depending on the amount of oil, rice, and crab meat used. The dish is also rich in protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it a healthy and satisfying meal. Steamed crab is a healthy and easy-to-prepare dish that showcases the natural flavor and sweetness of crab meat. Here's a more detailed recipe for steamed crab. Ingredients: 1 live crab, about 1 to 1.5 pounds. 1/4 cup rice wine or white wine.